team running. Hopefully this copyright don't give me with the radio. They talking, but Corbo bracket, Ford Mustang, Corbo seat, as y'all can see right there. Welcome to Peanuts Automotive Adventures. That's Peanut. I'm James. Welcome to Peanuts Automotive Adventure, where every day is an automotive adventure. But before we get into today's video, let's give an official shout out to both sponsors.
The graphicsspotva.com.
Graphicsspotva.com. Reach out to them. Anything graphic related, decals. Y'all know the routine, y'all. Anything dealing with that, y'all. He can do it. Promotional items, laser engraving, keychains. Laser engraving, what are those, mugs, coffee mugs, man, he does it all. Promotional items for personal and business, y'all. Just reach out to him and tell him that Team Run It, tell him that Peanuts Automotive Adventure sent you. Second sponsor, Innovative Powders. Reach out to him. There's the sign right there, the logo with the phone number. He can powder coat anything, y'all. Whatever y'all got, he can get it done when it comes to powder coating, getting that fresh look. He got all colors. I don't know every color, but I know he got a ton of them. That's why I don't know them all, because he got a ton of them. So reach out to him for all your powder coating needs. Today's video is about this thing Peanut sitting in right there. I was able to install the seat today because, as y'all can see, 60 degrees, 60 plus degrees. I came on out here, installed this seat with the bracket. So we're pretty much going to go over that with y'all. We haven't talked about the Project Mustang that I autocross, and hopefully I can do some track days with this thing this year and some time trials. I've been looking up online, trying to get people's schedules and trying to see where I can fit it in, because you also got to remember it's a lot of work to be done around here, and he got his junior dragster, which needs a little work, and then getting to the track with his junior dragster. So we still gonna be bringing y'all that footage too, man. We're just trying to bring a lot of footage, and we're trying to fit in the Central Virginia car scene, the automotive scene in Central Virginia. We want to put that to the forefront all 2025. As long as the weather's good, we're there. You know, we're going to try to make to a lot of events, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to have a busy 2025. So we like it that way, right? You know, it's going to be busy, so we don't mind. But hey, I'm going to turn this camera around, and we're going to talk about this Corbo seat install right here. It wasn't hard, wasn't difficult. Took me about an hour and a half to get it installed because I wasn't using the proper tools. I should have went and got the ratchet wrenches. It would have made my life easier, but I was too lazy to get those steps in today, so it kind of extended the install time, but it's all good. It's all good. So let me get talking about this install. All right, Team Runner, hopefully this copyright don't give me with the radio. They talking, but Corbo bracket, Ford Mustang, Corbo seat, as y'all can see right there. We're getting it in for the autocross season right there. Love these seats because I'm a big guy, so it's width right there. And what I got to do next is I'm gonna go ahead and take those 10mm bolt screws off. That's right here, right there. Per the instructions, it said to reuse them, so that's what we're gonna do. And also too, I'm gonna have y'all go over here. I'm gonna have to vacuum and all that. Look at that, y'all, all that trash underneath that seat. And we're gonna put everything back in order. So, see y'all in a bit. Let me go ahead and finish this up, man. It's a good day, 60-degree day to get this done. There we go. Right there. We getting it done, y'all. Next will be the tires on this joker. I need some fresh tires for March 2nd. It's the first event, so. All right, Team Run It. Here's the Corbo seat. I ordered this from LMR. It's a Mustang vendor that I love using out of Texas, but it was drop shipped from Corbo. And, you know, make a long story short, this right here, this is the special bracket made for Mustangs, especially the SN95 New Edge Mustang. I can't remember the price on it, but I remember getting this one from American Muscle. But I got this thing over a year ago, and I've just been holding on to it, and it was sitting on the garage floor. And you know, finally got it installed because I was finally able to order this because of the new hobby I got, making some gains. So, and I also was able to reuse all the nuts and bolts from the factory seats to get this brace down and to put the bracket up underneath the seat. There was some 10mm bolts that went underneath there, and right now I'm just going to show y'all. And the reason for this upgrade on the seat is because the bolstering, pretty much plain and simple. See that bolstering there, so when you're going left and right, your body shifts, right? It shifts. And then when I was autocrossing, I would brace myself with the steering wheel going into a turn, and that's not good. That's not a good look, because you're putting steering input, you put unnecessary steering input into your turns, trying to brace yourself from sliding in a leather, as y'all can see, the factory leather seat with minimal bolstering. So I was like, I'm done with that in 2025. It's time to get this seat. If I can be stiff in there in that seat, if I can hold my position in the seat, if I don't have to brace myself, and after every autocross also, my biceps was hurting as if I was lifting dumbbells, or if the car didn't have power steering too. So that was another thing why I went with this seat here. Y'all see it got the slots. I'm gonna end up putting a 3-point harness in this. I'll do a video on that, the 3-point harness, but right now, time being, I'm gonna use the old handy dandy seat belt, because you can still use it, because I didn't show you this, Peanut, because the seat belt bolts to the side of the bracket right there. See it, Peanut?
Yeah.
Peanut looking right there, look, y'all. Yep, right there. So I'm still able to use the seat belt, but you know what I might do is, I don't know if that'll, nah, I ain't gonna do it that way. I'll just send it over the top like that. But yeah, but I'm gonna end up putting a 3-point harness in. But also, I really wanted a 6-point harness, but Peanut still likes to ride in his car, ride in the back. So I would either have to put a harness bar here, or I would have to put a roll bar, not a full cage, but a roll bar in here with the loop and all that, just for the harnesses to go on, right? But we're not going to do that, because you like riding in this car, don't you? Sometimes? Yes, no, maybe so. You don't know? Look. But so I'm gonna go ahead and go with a 3-point harness, run the harness back here, and I think the harness can either connect up top here. My bad, Team Run It. It can connect up top here where I'm pointing. The anchor bolt can either go there, or it can go right here where I'm pointing at right there. Dang it. It's trying to focus on my finger. It can go right there. I'm probably going to put it there. Straps come in, then we can anchor it down on the plate, on the actual bracket to the Corbo seat. But I just want y'all to see it. Let's see. Y'all see it right there? It's nice, y'all. It's nice. It's nice. Finally got it installed. It came in on, what day did it come in? Friday? So we good to go. Peanut, go ahead, get back in it. Let's see how Peanut's looking. Go on back in it. Look. One day that's gonna be you, ain't it? One day. Can you reach the pedals? Almost, right?
Yeah.
You still got a lot of growing to do. One day you're gonna be doing it. You'll see. Whatever I'm do, you know, when it comes to cars, you're gonna do, right?
Yeah.
See? Say it again. Tell Team Run It.
Yeah.
Say it louder.
Yeah.
It's all right. That's what I'm talking about. So, you know, I'm gonna have Peanut autocrossing too one day. Right now he's in that junior dragster. Hold on, hold the camera. Let me see how I look in it. Hold on. I'm gonna sit in the chair, in the seat, and you record me sitting in the seat. Hold on. I'm getting in it, Team Run. I'm getting in it. Hold on. Let me pull it back for my big tail. All right, I'm in there. See me?
Yeah.
See me? So hold on. Let me pull my seat up. Yeah. I didn't leave the keys in here, but see what I'm saying? I'm like that, right? You know what I'm saying? I'm going through a turn. The bolstering should help me. And this is a big boy seat too. It's for me. I think it's 18 inches right here at the waistline where it is. Because some of these seats are small, man. And you would have to shoehorn me into that seat, but not this one. So I'm there, right? I'm like this. I'm like that with the helmet on. Can't you see me, Peanut? With the helmet on and all that, you know what I'm saying? Trying to get it. Boost going up, you know what I'm saying? All right, let me calm down. Let me calm down. But yeah, that's what it's there for. And then when I got that harness, once I get that harness in, it's going to have me tight, right?
Yeah.
Let me see what this does. Let me see how I'm feeling with this. Yeah, this ain't going to last long right here. It works, but it ain't holding me tight. So, yeah, I'm going to end up getting that 3-point harness from LMR. Yeah, shout out to LMR, man, for the great service, man. Every time I order parts from them, it's LMR.com. Every time I order parts from them, man, they come through for me. There's a couple of other vendors, too. Once I start ordering from them, I'll be shouting them out, too. I need to do a good job of shouting out the vendors that we use it in case Team Run It want to use them. But, yeah, we got the Mustang, y'all. You know what I'm saying? We are Grand National guys. Peanut's a GTR guy. I'm a Grand National guy, but I got this new Edge because I wanted to autocross it. You know what I'm saying? It's pro charged. It got more than enough power for autocrossing. It actually got a little bit too much power, but I'm thinking with some stickier tires, I might be able to tame it a little more. So, you know what I'm saying? 2025 can get here soon enough. March 2nd, man, I can't wait, dude. I can't wait. Let me get up out of here. All right, Team Runner, we're gonna go ahead and close this video out. Thank you for all the support. You know, don't always remember to use our sponsors. Don't forget about them. You know what I'm saying? They're a major part of why we do what we do. You know, please reach out to them for all your needs. And also, you know, we're gonna make this short and sweet. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share.
Hit that
notification bell. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna be bringing more and more content. You know, also just to touch bases on and it's getting better, you know what I'm saying, a lot better. So we're going to be putting out more videos, you know, more things. We're going to be doing more, and it's all about doing more things in the car community, with the car community. So, you know, we're going to be out there, y'all. We're going to be out there. And if y'all see us out there, come up to us. Please speak to us. We don't mind. You know, I'll stop the camera. Whatever I'm doing, I'll stop filming, or either I tell you, hey, I'm going to get with you, because I would never disrespect anybody. And I'm teaching Peanut that too. We will always remain humble, especially to our to Team Run It and to any and every supporter. So that's Peanut. I'm James. This Peanuts Automotive Adventures. We out. Peace.